This is a 2020 Avalanche 395BH. Nice size gas electric refrigerator. This unit has 2 full bathrooms. It's got a nice size bunk room. You got a little eat-at area with 2 recliners. This unit also has an outside kitchen. Back bunk room, couch can go out for sleeping. Plenty of storage, plus the loft area up on top there. This is going to be the back bathroom. You got your own second door entry area. Storage just for the kids and stuff are in their bathroom. The couch that's in here in the living room also can go out for sleeping. Avalanche is a cold mountain package of -4 degrees. It is generator prepped as well. I'm going to go up here into the bathroom area. Nice size shower, bathroom, storage. Can't say that enough. This unit also has the washer dryer prep up front. TV can go up there on the wall. This unit also has the Whisper air conditioner system. Storage underneath the bed, king bed. Again, this is a 2020 Avalanche 395BH. It's here at Cheeks. Come check it out.